Third one, in figure 7.49, angle B is less than angle A and C is less than D. You have to show that AD is less than BC. Now look at that figure. Angle B is less than angle A. That means side opposite to that angle AO will be less than BO. So what you'll write? The side opposite to smaller angle will be smaller. Now it is given angle C is less than angle D. So let us write first here angle B is less than angle A. Therefore AO is less than BO. So reason is side opposite to smaller angle will be smaller. Now in second case C is less than D. C is less than D. Side opposite to that one OD will be less than OC. Now this is the first and second equation we are getting. First equation is this one. Second equation is this one. So when you are adding that one, AO plus OD will be less than BO plus OC. That means what is AO plus OD? AO plus OD will be equal to AD. AD is less than BC. BO plus OC means BC. That is what we need that. So how we proceed? First one, B is less than A. So side opposite to that one, AO will be less than BO. Then here it is given C is less than D. Side opposite to C is equal to OD. OD is less than OC. Then we just added that two quantities. So you got AD is less than BC. Now fourth question is AB and CD are respectively the smaller and the longest side of quadrilateral ABCD. Figure is given there. Show that A is greater than C and B is greater than D. Now in this one, two same figures, two times you have to draw. First one like this, that is you have to join AC, then marks the angles 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then in second figure you have to join B and D, then marks the angles 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. So first one when here we are considering the first figure. To draw the first equation, that is in triangle ABC. When you are taking AB is, when you look at that figure, AB is less than BC. So side opposite to angle opposite to the smaller side, that is angle B is less than angle 1. So angle opposite to, reason you can write smaller side will be smaller. Now when you are taking ADC, this triangle ADC, AD is less than CD. CD is the longest side. So AD is less than CD. Now in that one side angle opposite to AD, that is angle 4 is less than angle C. It's the same reason angle opposite to the smaller side will be smaller. Now when you are adding these two identities, these equations, now what you are getting, 2 plus 4 is less than 1 plus 3. So here, what is 2 plus 4? Angle C. And what is 1 plus 3? This one is angle A. So angle C is less than angle A you will get. So similarly, in this figure, we have joined BD and marked the angles 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. The same way, BC is less than CD. BC is here this side is less than CD. CD is the largest side we know. So angle 7 will be less than angle 6. Then when you are taking this one, so in that one AB is less than AD. AD is, we know that from the figure itself you know that AB is less than AD. So angle 8 will be less than angle 5. When you are adding these two, angle 8 plus 7 will be less than angle 5 plus 6. That is angle 8 plus 7 means D is less than B. So we have proved that too given in the question. Now fifth one. In the figure 7.51, PR is greater than PQ and PS bisects QPR. You have to prove that PSR is greater than PSQ. Now look at that figure. This PS bisect these angle, that is QPR. That means these two angles are equal. Now you have to prove that PSR, that is this angle, is greater than PSQ, this angle. Now as PR is greater than PQ, PR this side is greater than PQ, so PQR, angle PQR, that is this angle will be greater than PRQ. Okay, that is the first one, first equation you are getting. Now we know that PS is the bisector. Bisector means divide into equal parts. So QPS will be same as RPS. That is angle QPS is equal to RPS. But when you consider this PSR, that angle is exterior angle for this triangle PQS. Okay. Now we have already learned that exterior angle theorem in 8th standard. That is, exterior angle will be the sum of two interior opposite angle. That is, PSR will be equal to PQS plus QP. QP. Yes. So again PSQ, this one, this angle is the exterior angle of PRS. So you will get PSQ is equal to the sum of these two angles. So PRQ plus RPS. Now add these two, first and second. What you are getting? PQR plus QPS. What is PQR plus QPS? PQR plus QPS, that means it is PSR. And what is this side? PRQ plus RPS, that is equal to PSQ. So PSR is greater than PSQ. Sixth one. Show that of all line segment drawn from a given point not on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. Now it is given from a point, so let P be that point. When you are drawing lines from P to another line L, So perpendicular line will be the shortest, that you have to prove. That is, here PN will be the shortest one. PN will be less than PM. So PM and PN are two lines from the same point P. So PN will make a 90-degree angle and PM is an acute angle you are getting. So here PMN is a right angle triangle with angle N is equal to 90 degree and M is an acute angle. So here angle P plus N plus M equal to 180. So N is 90 degrees. So P plus 90 plus M is equal to 180. That is P plus M will be 90. 180 minus 90. That means both P and M are acute angles less than 90 degree. Now when it comes, let P be the points. We have written this one. PM and PN are the lines from P. So when you consider the triangle PNM, N is 90 degree, M is an acute angle. So M is less than angle N. Angle M is less than angle M. That means what? Side opposite to angle M, N, that is PN, or PN will be smaller than PM. That is, larger side will be PM. Okay. And what is PN? PN is the perpendicular distance from P. Okay. PN is perpendicular distance from P. So perpendicular distance is the shortest from a point to another line not containing that point. So here we can one more sentence you can add. Similarly, we can draw different line segments and compare like this and prove also. Okay.